Hello everyone and welcome back to How to in SharePoint channel. In today's video, we will upload a file to SharePoint Online using Graph API. So let's get started. Our destination will be the following document library from SharePoint Online. More precise, I will upload the file in folder 1. In order to do this, I will use the following PowerShell script available on GitHub. I will also add this URL as the first comment of my video. So first of all, I will take the script. I will go to Visual Studio and I will paste it here. Let's create a new file, demo.ps1. Okay, let's see which are the variables that I need to complete. So I need a client ID, a tenant ID, a client secret, the full path of the file that I want, and the site ID. In order to have the client ID and ID, I will create an application in Microsoft Entra. So let's go to entra.microsoft.com. I will go to app registration and I will register a new app. Let's call it demo upload file to SPO with Graph API. I will leave everything as by default as default and I will click register. Okay, so this is our tenant ID. Client ID will be the application ID. Okay, I need to generate a client secret. So let's go to certificate and secrets. And I will add a new client secret, demo. I will delete it afterwards. Okay, I need to copy this value. Okay, so next step will be to give the correct file path. Okay, and I also need the site ID. In order to get it, I can use the following API. So my site was test1, and I just need to get the ID of the site using the API. Okay, this is the site ID. Okay, those are the parameters that I need to complete. Before to go further, I need to provide this to this client application for SharePoint Online. So let's go to Microsoft Entra, API permissions, add a permission. I'll use Microsoft Graph. I have two options, delegate permission and application permission. Delegate permission should be used if I want to upload a file on behalf of a user, and application permission will be used if I want to upload this file using an application. So let's type site here. For simplicity, I will use site full content. In a production environment, you may want to use site.selected. Okay, in order to complete this step, I need to click on Grant Admin Consent for CentOS. Perfect. Now I have the required permission. Let's go back to my script. And what we will do, we will use the following endpoint to get the OAuth2 token. So if I will execute everything that I selected, I will have a token. Okay. Then I want to get the drive ID for this document library, doclib1. Okay. So do a get request in order to get the drive ID. Let's execute the following code. Now the drive ID will be this one. Okay. And after this, I will use the Graph API in order to upload the. This is the URL of Graph API call, and this is a put request, and I will execute the full script now. Okay, an error because the .zip was not found. One moment. Temp file. Yeah, should be there. Test one. Okay. Okay. I save the script and execute it. Okay, upload completed. Let's check on SharePoint side. I will refresh the page. And the file is not up. One moment to see. Oh, probably was up in folder one. Okay. Okay, because the parameter was folder. Okay, so if I'll change here folder one and execute the script again, upload completed again. So let me go here, folder one, and this is the. Thank you, and please like and subscribe.